Let's dive into the world of iodine. Iodine is like a superhero for your body's thyroid. The thyroid is a special gland that helps you grow, become strong, and have lots of energy. Iodine is also the key to having super brain power and a strong immune system. Iodine is a tiny but mighty helper that supports your growth, development, and keeps your energy levels high. Here's a cool fact. Most of the iodine in the world lives in the big, wide oceans. And did you know that plants growing in iodine-rich soil can soak up some iodine too? Even though we only need a little bit of iodine, it's super important to keep us alive and healthy. Now, where can we find iodine in our foods? It's a bit tricky because the amount of iodine in plants depends on the soil they grow in. But we do know that iodine loves hanging out in seaweeds like kelp, dulse, wakame, and nori. Since iodine mostly lives in the oceans, seaweeds are like treasure chests of iodine. And if you want to be sure you're getting enough, there's iodized sea salt, iodine supplements, and some plant foods that are fortified with iodine. They're all like secret agents, making sure you have enough iodine to stay strong and healthy. So, whenever you think about iodine, think of it as your body's superhero, helping you grow, stay strong, and have a super smart brain and a powerful immune system. Keep iodine-rich foods in mind to stay healthy and full of energy.